guys, today we're going to be talking about ND filters and why you should be using them. If you want to see how you can turn this shot into this shot with an ND filter, then keep watching. I'm at like this nature preserve park here in Florida. I picked like the warmest day to come out here. Way too hot. Okay, so ND filters, what are they and why should you be using them? ND filters essentially work just like sunglasses do for us, except for the lens of your camera. You screw them right on the front, there's small threads on the end of your lens, you screw the ND filter on, and it works like sunglasses. You can see when I twist this ND filter, it gets darker and brighter accordingly. That's exactly what we want to have with a variable ND filter. It allows us to twist it to get it just a little darker, or twist it the other way to get it just a little bit brighter. Alright, I just want to see real quick if I can see some alligators over at this other little lookout dock thing. Still no alligators. I want my money back. Granted, I didn't pay to get in here, but I still want my money back. And yes, I have to walk everywhere. I don't have a one wheel like Maddie Apoya. If you want to send a one wheel to me, Maddie, I'll take it. Okay, I already said it, but guys, it is ridiculously hot today. Here, let me just show you real quick. It's 93 today, but the real feel is 102. Way too hot for me. You make the best of it. Right now, I'm not really sure how, but you do. That's the only way you can cope. So the brand of variable ND filter that I use is the brand GOBE. I think that's how you say it. My good buddy Tyler Vandervoort, who does incredible video and photo work, got me on this a year or two ago, and I have not looked away since. They are incredibly affordable. Depending on the size you get, they can be as little as $30 all the way up to maybe 70 or 80 bucks. But guys, the high-end ND filters run around 250. So this is a very, very affordable ND filter that still delivers a great product, a great look. You will not be disappointed. You have my word. All right, let me go give you guys an example. Let's go. Don't you love it when you're like the only one in a parking lot when you come to one of these places? The entire place to myself. Made it to Hungryland, the next location. I have my camera set up right here. As you can see, there is no ND filter on the end. It's just the 75-300 lens, just with the f-stop turned up a little bit, no ND filter, and this is what that photo looks like. All right, that's what it looks like without an ND filter. All you do is just screw this right on the front. If you see these little tick marks here, there's a little white arrow right there. You can see it's at max right now. And I just turn it down to kind of a lower setting. Just twisting it like that is how you adjust the brightness of the ND filter. Just by adding an ND filter to the end of your lens makes a massive difference. Now I do want to say you need to be careful about twisting the ND filter too much. You might start to distort the edges of the image just a little bit, but as long as you stay within the confines of the ND filter, kind of within its limitations, you'll be just fine. All right guys, go get a GOBE ND filter. They're down in the description area below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.